Kadagan. O Christian college. May times nga, naka-experience ko sila, nahutdag sudan, nahutdag suka, toyo, asin. Dali, kani mahutdan, oy. Kani maginagmay mo, dali mahurot. No? Grocery, asin. There was a time nga, sa tanan na mong nalimtan nga nangadtumi o na malimi o balay, asin yun ang wala na mo nadala. Nga mo ka na. Ano pinakagamay? Mo na yung malimtan, asin, puspuro, mo gina usually. And many experience that mahutdan puntang kwarta. No? So on and so forth. Now, sisters and brothers, the implication is that there is no perfect marriage at all. Kaya kung naapa na ito tanan, perfect na yun ang atong marriage. But I can say and I can tell right now that there is no such as perfect marriage. Sometimes we run out of patience. Sometimes we run out of time. Sometimes we run out of hope, courage, and many more. Because we are not a perfect family. Sometimes we run out of time in going to church together. Na ay time nga, sahay naman ang mga pastor, daghanang balo ato karon nanimba ba? Nganong balo man pastor? Aman imong bana. Aman imong asawa, ikaw ra may nisimba. No? There are times that we run out of time in going to church together. And you know what? Mary's response to the servants is a powerful lesson in obedience. Mary said to the servants in verse 5, do whatever he tells you. Buhata unsa may isulti ni Jesus sa inyo. Mary didn't know what Jesus was going to do. She didn't know how Jesus was going to solve the problem. But Mary trusted Jesus. She knew that whatever Jesus commanded would be for the best. And that is our hope for Badjan and Matet. We hope and we pray for the best for their marriage. This is a great example and a wake-up call for us to obey God's commands even when sometimes we don't understand these commands. Sa kadaghan aning sulod sa Bible nga commands sa Ginoo, sometimes we don't understand. Even sometimes dili ta ganahan mutahod o mutuman sa mga sugo sa atong Dios. Well, the important starter of Badjan and Matet's married life is likened to the hymn. And I can say